Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be showing you how you can use the more secure and private WhatsApp alternative, the Signal application. So lately, after WhatsApp introduced their new update of terms and conditions on their application, a lot of users are concerned about their privacy because WhatsApp application will start sharing data on Facebook platform for advertisements. And to be honest with you, this is not something new. They've been doing this since 2016. And you might be questioning why they are saying this right now. Well, because they are forced to. A lot of states and countries, especially in United States and European Union, are suing Facebook over this. And just for your information, the European Union is not a subject for this new update on WhatsApp terms and services because it simply violates the customer protection. So Signal application is really good alternative for WhatsApp for now. First of all, it's not owned by a big tech company like WhatsApp, and also it's end-to-end encryption. It means every text message or audio or picture you send is completely encrypted in your device before sending it. And it also has a similar features just like WhatsApp, if it's not more. So let's just start this video to see for yourself. So the things that I will be covering in this video are how to enable the dark mode or the dark theme on the Signal application. After that, the storage options, because there is an option if you want to keep the messages forever or only for a certain times. That can really be helpful if you want to keep your storage low. And the third topic is the media files. If you want to download the media files, which is audios and videos and pictures, when you are using the mobile data or only Wi-Fi connection. And the privacy section, because there is some really good settings on the privacy section on Signal application, like blocking screenshot on Signal application. For example, if you are talking to somebody, he can take screenshot of their conversation, which is really awesome. And also transferring the calls on the voice calls over Signal servers. In that way, nobody can track your IP address while you are calling them or something, because that's possible on WhatsApp application. If you are calling somebody on WhatsApp, they can track your IP address because the technology that WhatsApp uses is voice over IP. And I will also show you how can you know if your friends are using Signal or not, and also how you can send the disappearing messages just like the recent feature of WhatsApp. So the first thing, make sure to install the Signal application from the Play Store or App Store. It's also available for both devices. So after you access the application, you will see this welcome page right here. Tap and continue, and it will ask you that it needs access to your contacts and media files, which is really obvious to be able to send text to your contacts and also send them pictures and videos. So just tap on continue and give it access to your contacts and media files. After that, it will take you to this page right here to pick your country and also add the phone number that you are using on this phone, and make sure you have a Signal because you will receive a text message to verify your account, and you should receive the text verification in no more than 10 seconds. As you can see right now, it's pretty fast. After that, it will take you to a section where you can type in your name or your last name or also your profile picture. After that, type in your PIN code and make sure to remember it, and you will see the home screen on Signal application after that. So let's just head over to the settings and enable the dark mode on Signal, because this white background is really annoying to look at. So just tap on the three dots at the top right corner. After that, tap on settings and tap on appearance, and you should see the theme option as the first one. Tap on it and pick dark, and as you can see, this is much better. After that, tap on storage and you will see message history section at the bottom screen, and the first option is keep messages and says forever. If you tap on it, and it will give you a bunch of options on how much time you want to keep the messages on the conversation. And as you can see, it gives you the option to pick forever or 1 year or 6 months or even 30 days. Pick the option that works for you the best. And also the conversation length limit. If you want to keep the messages on the conversation are below 5,000 or 1,000 or whatever. After that, the media and chat settings, and you can pick that you want to download the media, which is the audio and videos only on mobile data or Wi-Fi only, or whatever works for you the best. I would recommend to keep it as only when using Wi-Fi to reduce the bandwidth charges. And I forgot to mention that Signal has a built-in emoji system, and it's really similar to the iPhone emojis. And if you want to disable them, you can disable them from this option right here. So let's just head over to the privacy settings, and you will see the first option as screen lock. If you want to lock the screen after 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 1 minute of inactivity. And below it the option that I was talking about, which is blocking screenshot on the conversation page, and you can enable this option from here. And in communication section you should see the first option says always relay calls, and that's the option that has said you can relay the calls on the Signal servers so nobody can track your IP address while you are calling them. And below it the read receipts, if you want to know if somebody reads your texts or not, and vice versa if you don't want anybody to see if he reads your messages or not. And I believe this option is also available on WhatsApp. And also below it there is an option called typing indicators, which is basically it's showing you that somebody, when you are talking to them, if they are typing a message or not, and vice versa also if you don't want anybody to see you typing a message for them. So you can enable or disable the typing indicators from here. So let's just finish this video with the two questions that the most people are asking. The first one, which is how can I know if my friends are using Signal or not? The second question is how can I send the disappearing messages on Signal, just like the recent feature of WhatsApp. So to be able to see if your friends are using Signal or not, the first thing you're going to do is type in on this blue icon right here, just like you want to type in a message, and it will show you all the contacts on your phone. Basically that's not all the contacts in your phone, that's only the contacts on your phone that's actually using the Signal application. So if the contact doesn't exist in this list, that means he is not using the Signal application yet. For example, let's just tap on this person right here. So to send this person the disappearing messages, just like the recent update of WhatsApp, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you will see disappearing messages as the first option. Tap on it and pick the timer that you want for that message. So let's just pick 10 seconds for example. So basically we did set the timer for this contact forever. So for example, every message you send this person is set to expire in 10 seconds. As you can see, once I send the message it has a timer on it, so after expiring it will disappear, just like you see on the screen right now. And if you want to disable the disappearing message for this contact, all you need to do is re-access the disappearing message settings. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on disappearing message and set it as off. And if I did send a message right now, it will stay there forever, just like you see right now. So in this video I think I did cover all the features of Signal Messenger app, and I hope the video helps you out to understand all the features of Signal application on how to use it properly. So I think my job here is done. If the video helps you out, help me out pressing that like button, and also check out my channel. I daily post videos on how to do stuff online, so if you like the content and you are interested, make sure to subscribe for more future videos. And thanks for watching, and catch you on next one.